Charlie Bonnie here with UCCS Athletics, here with head coach Jeff Culver, UCCS men's basketball team. Now, Coach, how you doing? You know, it's been a long week for you guys. How's the mentality of the team?
Good. We've put together some good practices coming out of Monday's game and just getting ready for a tough defensive matchup on Friday. But I think we feel good. We're clean the slate now and ready to roll up our sleeves and start this conference schedule.
And looking at that Friday matchup against Black Hills State, now you guys went last year to Black Hills State and won there, and then like you were saying in the last interview, they came here and won at our place, so 2 different wins. Really, what's the biggest factor with that team?
Yeah, and if you look at those home and away splits, they were the reverse of what you expect. I mean, we beat them by a lot at their place, and then they came and beat us by a lot in our place. So they're a dangerous offensive team. They got a lot of guys that can shoot the ball. They shoot it with great confidence. A lot of interchangeable pieces with guys that can attack the basket as well as shoot the ball, and so they operate their dribble drive motion very well. Have some good experience at the guard spots, and so just a really dangerous team, and we certainly have our work cut out for us.
And just kind of looking at their offensive, like you said, they're very good dribble driving. Really, what is going to be the key for that? You're going to start out in a zone, start man-to-man. Really, what is the key for that?
Well, I can't give away all our secrets, as the nation watches this interview. So we'll keep that under wraps. But, the main key for us is you got to contain them. You got to contest the threes. I mean, we got to minimize open threes. And to do that, we have to really cut down their driving lanes, and all of that is easier said than done. When you got teams that can drive it and shoot it, you got to guard them for both. So I think the key is, we got to have our rotations set. We've got to have good team defense. We've got to have good, just fundamental angles on our closeouts. I mean, really attention to detail on the defensive end is going to be key for us.
And after that win against Colorado College, really, what did you see that you liked from that game? And then, what needs still to be worked on?
Well, everything still needs to be worked on. It's early in the season with a young team, but I think we're showing signs these last couple games. Out in Nebraska and then on Monday as well, we're showing more signs, more frequent possessions where we're doing the right thing on both ends of the floor. So we just have to keep that trend up and continue to minimize our mistakes and minimize our bad offensive possessions and minimize our defensive mistakes or missed assignments, and then we'll just keep chipping away at this thing.
And like we've been talking about, you guys are a young team, only 2 seniors on this squad. So really, this year, is it more learning on the fly or more fundamentals at practice and learning there?
Well, a little bit of both probably, and every year to a certain extent, learning on the fly and trying to get better as we go and adjusting to our personnel year in, year out. But we certainly have a sort of back to the basics mentality this year, with not only a lot of young guys, but some new guys. Justin, I know you had interviewed earlier, and he's an experienced guy, but he's new to our programs, and a couple guys coming off redshirt years who were here last year, but are still getting some of those early reps. So we're learning on the fly. We're focused on fundamentals and really our foundation on offense and defense, and just trying to get better every day.
And like you said, just a couple of new guys, impact players already, Padilla Wang, Justin Smith, and then a lot of older guys who returning, Brandon Malone, who really offensively put in a lot of work last year. So really, how do you mix that together, and what has been the toughest part of mixing this team?
Well, some guys stepping into new roles. Brandon Malone, you mentioned, we want to be more of a scoring threat, and last year he was capable of doing that, but he certainly also would take a back seat to, Alex Welsh and Dalton Patton and Kendall Godley, our 3 seniors who put up a lot of offense for us. So, we know Brandon's got it in him. I thought this last Monday, he definitely shot the ball more, and in the first half especially, I thought really helped our offense with his ability to knock down shots and create some offense and make some plays. And so we need more out of that, more out of him along those lines. And everyone's got some adjusted roles this year, and we're getting more and more familiar with it. And the sooner that the guys are able to realize their new roles, and hopefully we're clearly defining them for them, and then it just comes down to everybody doing their job. And that's sort of where we're approaching now. Is I think we're starting to carve out those roles pretty well, and now we're just trying to pay attention to details and have everyone do their assignments. And if we can bring all that stuff together, then it'll start looking a little better out there on the floor.
And then just looking at this weekend, Black Hills State and then South Dakota Mines, first conference play. So what do you guys need to do to actually get these victories? Is it offense? Is it defense? Is it limit turnovers? What's going to be the biggest factor of this weekend?
Yeah, it's tough to put narrow that down to any one thing. It's all of the things that you mentioned and more. It's really about minimizing our mistakes. Offensively, we've been struggling quite a bit, especially compared to where we've been at in the last few years as far as sharing the ball and being able to create space in order for us to get good ball movement. So we're really focusing on trying to adjust some things with our motion to get better ball movement and share the ball a little bit better than we have, get our assist-to-turnover ratio in checks, minimize our mistakes and turning the ball over. And defensively, it's a lot of just missed assignments. The talent is there for us, and we know what we're trying to do. We just don't always do it. And so we're just trying to stay focused on the defensive end and really pay attention to details and really come together, be vocal, and try to put it all together. So it's a lot of little things right now that we're trying to clean up and get better at.
Well, there you have it. Head coach Jeff Culver of your UCCS men's basketball team taking on Black Hills State and then South Dakota Mines. Coach, good luck.
Great. Thank you.